Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will present about my team project. The name of the project is Blinking to LEDs using transistors. First of all, my teammate are Muhammad Arif Irfan bin Muhammad Zahir, Muhammad Afif Farhan bin Muhammad Nasir, Muhammad Faizal Zakirin bin Ansnat, Nur Natasha binti Kamaruddin, Nur Atikah binti Abdul Hadi. Okay, first, the introduction of our project is the circuit for blinking an LED using transistors is called an ASTABLE multivibrator. What is ASTABLE multivibrator? The ASTABLE multivibrator circuit is a classic circuit for flashing two LEDs. It doesn't have to flash two LEDs thought. It can blink just one LED, or it can create a tone to play on a speaker. Then, the components used in this project are battery 9V, 2 capacitor 2 microfarad, 2 transistor NPN, 1 LED, 1 red LED and 1 yellow LED, 2 resistor 470 ohm and 2 resistor 47k ohm. And lastly, the breadboard. What is capacitor? Capacitor is a passive component with function to store energy in electric field. Transistor is a semiconductor device. Transistor is an active component that usually used for amplifying, controlling, and generating electrical signals. Then, resistor is a passive component with function to control the electric current flow through the circuit. The greater the resistance, the less will be the current flow. Then, the battery 9V is for the power supply. The LED for our result, and the breadboard is function to put all the components. Then, this is the example for our project, which is LED 1. This is light up when the transistor Q1 is on, or LED 2 is light up when the transistor Q2 is on. R1 and R4 are only to set the current through the LEDs. Next, function of this project is the voltage on the left side of C2 controls the transistor Q1. The voltage on the right side of C1 controls transistor Q2. When transistor Q1 turns on, it changes the voltage of C1 so that Q2 turns off. After a short while, the voltage of C1 rises back up and turns on the transistor Q2. When transistor Q2 turns on, it changes the voltage of C2 so that Q1 turns off. This this procedure keeps repeating. And then this is for the circuit. L1 is only lit when transistor Q1 is on. We know from how transistor work that Q1 is only turned on if it has 0.7 volt on its base. Since the left side of C2 connects to the base of Q1, that means it's a 0.7 volt. The right side of the capacitor C2 is connected to 9 volt through R4 and L2, so it is charging and the voltage is rising. Since the transistor Q2 is off, its base must be lower than 0.7 volt. The right side of C1 connects to the base of Q2, so that means this is also lower than 0.7 volt. but the right side of C1 is also connected to 9 volt through the resistor R2, which means it is being charged. That means the voltage is below 0.7 volt but rising. That's all for the presentation for our project. So the next part is the simulation in the Proteus. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Arif Irfan bin Muhammad Zahir. Today I will construct simulation for our assignment. Okay. Kita sister okay apa ni? Okay. Okay, we set two resistor in the middle. 40 seconds. Okay. Outside 170 and for capacitor same value and key ground outlook. Okay. Um, okay, that's all from me. Arif Irfan. Okay, thank you.